Good evening, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. I'm going to make this really quick, and I posted just if you're a member and you're watching this first, you need to take some time. Tonight's strategy session, in light of everything that's happening, is almost 50 minutes long. You can play it in fast speed, but I think it's really important, and I teach you a lot about proper risk management and trade references. So definitely check that out. By the way, if you're not a member, you might want to give it a shot. You get a trial, so go ahead and take advantage of that. Now, here's the thing, and this is not going to be a real long one. I'm tired. But as I look at Tesla here, guys, I think that this break of 200 is kind of a big deal. It's down here, and this is on a weekly chart, of course, but it's at levels that we really haven't seen, other than for a cup of coffee here, since 2020. And so I look at this as a complete reversal. We've got, I can draw, head and shoulders 98 different ways, but you got the left shoulder, you got the head here or here or here, whatever it is, and then the right shoulder, okay? And then finally we're getting a breakdown here, and then at some point, and I don't have a lot of hopes for this, but at some point, we're down here, we're going to get some kind of a throwback, some kind of a rally to come back up and test 200. Now, this may not get all the way to 200, may not even get to 180. But at some point, you're going to get some kind of a pause in the downtrend. Don't get sucked in by that, because this is a heavy, heavy stock for a lot of different reasons. I went into a lot of them in tonight's strategy session, but the bottom line is that this is, it's not a company that Musk is fully engaged in right now. There's a lot of other things going on, but this is not a stock that you want to be buying. So don't buy this on the dip. I'm looking for $100 here, and that's not even a bold call. I'm looking for literally $100 on this stock, and you Teslonians can listen to me and go, no way, it can't happen. Oh, you just hate Musk. Actually, I don't. I love Musk. I think the guy's a real, he's funny. So yeah, this can go to $100. You want a good short? Short into this on any kind of a rally, and then have the staying power. Start with a small position, certainly, because at any time this thing could rip up to 600 just because you're short. It's a very, very difficult stock to short. All I'm saying is, if you're selling the stock at 177, at some point in the future, sometime not in the near future, but sometime over the next, I don't know, 260, 90, 120 days, you'll be able to buy it back at $100. Okay, and that's all I have to say about that. I'll see you next time.